Welcome to Playtime Kids Time channel. It's me, Callie, and today we're going to do another DIY, do it yourself. This is a necklace activity from Disney Princess. We got Ariel, Cinderella, Mulan, Rapunzel, and Jasmine. They are the Disney princesses. We do have 5 charms, 150 beads and 5 necklaces, including this beautiful box. And let's see, how will we do this? Let's remove this. Okay, carefully. Let's see. Let's open the box. Whoa. Beautiful. Oh, there is a plastic. Let's separate the princesses. Be careful on opening the box. Oh, okay, see? Look at this. Let's see. Let's get, Princess Ariel. Let's take a closer look. Look how beautiful Princess Ariel. Disney. This is the necklace holder. And of course, this is the charm. Princess Ariel. And let's take a closer look of Princess Cinderella. She's so kind, so shy. And we got Mulan. We also have the very clever Rapunzel. Last but not least, again, the brave. Look at her fierce eyes. See? Jasmine. And let's do Ariel. Ariel. And let's get this necklaces. This is rubber. Stretchy rubber. This is really for children, for kids. So let's see what we'll use. We're going to use the green. But you know, I would like to make my own design, though. My apologies. I'll use pink. Yes. And instead of this green, let's do the mix-up of this pink. Pink. This is for Jasmine, or Princess Jasmine. But I'm going to use this for Ariel. So the idea of this DIY necklace activity is you can create your own design. That's why it's DIY. And gently remove this from this hole. Oops. Okay. And then add the beads. Now we can also mix different colors. Do it as you please. That's why we have this to make your own. Like I said, it's a DIY and activity necklace. So after you make this color for Ariel, you can remove the beads and add Ariel's color, the green one. So every day you have the different beads and 5 necklaces for just one princess. And the next week, you can use or make the necklace for Cinderella with these necklaces and these beautiful beads. You can use the green beads or mix of everything, or you can do blue, her color, purple, yellow, and pink, and these necklaces. So let's try. Ooh, look at this. We have flowers. See? We have flowers. Do we have heart here? Let me check. Yes, we have a heart-shaped beads. We have flowers and these round beads. So what I'm gonna do is to line this up like this. Line this up according to my desire. And you can always be creative. And that's this. Ta-da! Now we have this beautiful necklace for Ariel. Look, not green color, but purple and pink. Take a closer look. Look at Ariel. She's so happy singing. Look at this beads, right? It looks gorgeous. Not because I made it, but see it for yourself if you like it. Hit that like button and subscribe. Look at this. Okay, let's set this aside. Set aside this beautiful ear necklace. Let's see. Let's do Rapunzel. Okay, let's get this color green. Or since she do wear purple, let's make this. Or yellow. Any color you want. Because this is DIY. Oops, careful. Let's get Rapunzel and then add the purple color and this yellow. And let's close it. We're done. We have this beautiful necklace for Rapunzel. We made necklace for ourselves. We got Rapunzel and Ariel. Look how beautiful our necklace. That is a DIY necklace, right? This is a fun activity with your children or even for yourself. If you are a fan of Disney princesses, this is a good jewelry or collection. And you can remove the beads and make another set of colors for Princess Ariel, Rapunzel, and for Cinderella, Mulan, and Princess Jasmine. Up next, the fashion beads, another DIY jewelry design similar to the Disney necklace activity, but this time it's more beads and more design. We're going to make bracelets and necklace. So stay tuned. It's me, Callie. See you on my next. Bye.